Hey everyone, this has been unboxing here of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus. I'm going to be trading in my S9 Plus for this. Only ended up paying $255 after a $10 rewards I had for Samsung. So really good pricing there. This is a super light colored S Pen. Come back to the tablet in just a second, of course. In this box, we have USB-C to USB-C. In this box, we have the ejector tool and then some paperwork. And there is the tablet itself. This is the gray color, not the silver. This is a pretty cool color. It's depending on how light's hitting, it actually almost looks a bit bluish. Again, depending on how light hits it. Otherwise, it looks very gray. We do have Samsung there for the S Pen, like so. Dual cameras. Flip this on around. Slot right there. Multiple mics. The volume rocker. And the power button. 2 different speakers along with some more mics. For the keyboard attachment. USB-C. And 2 more speakers. And then we're back to the top. And then of course we have the camera right there. And then before I end this video, I have my case from the S9 Plus here. People are saying the accessories will fit the new tablets. So let's go ahead and see if that is true. So this is the S10 Plus. And do this off screen. Alright, do this on screen so you guys can see. So yeah, no, that fits perfect. That is awesome. You do not need to buy new accessories if you have the S9 Plus. You guys see that fits awesomely. This is the Spigen case with this built-in stand. I absolutely love these. Highly recommend them. Yeah, there we go. Like I said, just unboxing here. Stay tuned. I'll be making a bunch of videos on this. We'd be doing some comparisons, of course, including versus the S9 Plus before I have to send it to Samsung. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a good one. I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.